Well, hey guys, that Chainsaw Man print that's been out for a while. I decided to print that, try that out. It looks pretty good. I had to get all the supports off and everything. I know that this is pretty flimsy. This is, so I had to be super careful on taking those off. So, yep, I got another print already going or getting ready to go here. So, all right. Well, let me get to work taking the supports off this. Well, here's the Chainsaw Man all cleaned up and sanded and everything. I had to put my name on it. Turned out pretty good. Alrighty, you guys have a good one.